Hi, this is Lara from Forex Info USA. This is part of our educational series. Part 1 is an introduction to basic Elliott wave structure. This video explains the basic Elliott wave pattern. This will be useful to those of you who are very new to Elliott wave. It also may be useful to those of you who wish to reinforce your understanding of the basics. The basic Elliott wave pattern is made up of 3 steps forward followed by 2 steps back. This is a basic requirement of motion for progress and development while also allowing for variety and diversity in structure. Our first movement in the main direction of the trend we always label wave 1. This is always followed by a short correction in the opposite direction to the main trend. 2 follows 1. Again, a strong step in the main direction of the trend. 3 follows 2. Followed by a short correction in the opposite direction. 4 follows 3. Our final strong step in the main direction of trend, 5 follows 4. We have 3 impulsive waves, wave 1, wave 3 and wave 5 are impulsive waves, intersected with 2 corrective waves, waves 2 and wave 4 are corrective waves. This basic 5 waves is followed by a 3-wave corrective movement which corrects all of these 5 in its entirety. Corrective waves are labelled with letters. Our first main wave in the opposite direction, our first main corrective movement, we label wave A. This is followed by a brief movement in its opposite direction, B follows A. And finally, a main wave in the opposite direction to the main trend, C follows B. This is our basic Elliott wave pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forward, A, B, C back. When we label these waves on charts, we always place the labels at the ends of the waves. So the label for wave 1 goes precisely at the end of wave 1. Likewise, 2 goes precisely at the end of wave 2. Waves 3, 4 and 5. This is our basic impulsive pattern, which is followed by the basic corrective pattern labelled with letters A, B, C. Waves 1 through to 5, our basic impulsive pattern, all together make up 1 step forward. Our corrective structure A, B, C, all together make up wave 2, a step back. This diagram is for a bull market. It works equally as well in a bear market. We just flip it around and have 5 waves down, 3 waves up for a bear market. We can take this basic pattern and build on it. Here's our basic 5 waves forward from the previous slide. This is wave 1. Here's our basic 3 waves back from the previous slide. This is wave 2. We can take this basic pattern and repeat it again. Another 5 waves forward and 3 follows 2. Another 3 waves back and 4 follows 3. Another final 5 waves forward and 5 completes our basic impulsive movement up. And you see now how it's broken down. Waves 1, 3 and 5 are impulsive waves. Waves 2 and 4 are corrective waves. Altogether this makes 1 wave in its entirety. And this is followed by a 3-wave corrective movement in the opposite direction to the main trend. Here's our first strong corrective movement. It can break down into 5 waves. This is our A. This is followed by a short movement in the opposite to its direction. Wave B follows A. Our final wave in the opposite direction to make our correction, C follows B. Altogether, A, B, C make up wave 2. And this is a basic Elliott wave pattern built upon itself. You can repeat this black 1 and black 2 showing all of this breakdown again and again and again to build up to yet a higher degree. Or we could break this wave 1 down, would break down into a 5 like this to break it down to a lower degree. And this is how we build fractals. And that's the basic Elliott wave pattern.